Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video we will see how to create multiple products via Excel sheet. We'll go through how to create multiple products using the Excel sheet, Excel data, and we'll also create multiple additional options via Excel sheet. We can also set up other options such as browse design, action buttons and all, and that can also be done using the Excel sheet. So let's dive into it. To create multiple products, you need to go to products, go to import products and click on that option. Go to download for normal and predefined products. Click on this option and here you will be able to download an Excel file. Now here the Excel file is downloaded. There are different worksheets that you need to take care. First, this is just an example. You can remove these categories. This is the category name. Please let us understand first few things on the Excel sheet. Do not change anything on the first row. There is a coding here. The category or the names which are yellow in color are mandatory fields. That fields we need to enter. These are optionals that you can leave blank. There are different fields based on the first category you create and the product details you create over here. The options that you have to fill in on the succeeding worksheets. So let's get first started with entering the categories. Now first category we'll create as a premium business card, and the second category we will create as premium stationery. So we are going to create these two categories first. So here you have created first two categories. Now you can save this file. Let me save it on the desktop. So here we have saved the file. Now let us go on to the next option, and here you have to select the product category and then you have to give the name of the product that you want to create. We have created two categories over here. Now there will be an downloaded option. You have to select that. First is this one, second is also this one, because I will be creating two products in the business card category and two products in stationery. Now here if you scroll down there is no drop down, so what you have to do, you just need to copy these two in the subsettings, so you will get the drop down. Please remember that you have to select the option from the drop down only, because you have already created the category over here. Now you just need to select. Now the other category I want to use is a business stationery. Here also I will use the business stationery. Now the product name that I have to create a new product, so I have to give a new product name over here, and that I will create as transparent business card, and the second one I will create as velvet. The other, in the premium stationery category, I will create executive letterhead. So these two products I am going to create. So now let me save this. Internal product URL, small image, large image, I have to skip that. All those long descriptions you can keep or enter the description type over here. That description will be added from here. That means such as you can give the long description also. Now here you have to define the price defining method. The first one I am choosing the fixed quantity and price, and the second one also I will be choosing the same. So for premium business stationery we will be using range base with multiplication. So here I will just copy that and will select range base with multiplication. So for these two products we are using fixed quantity and price defining method, and for these two products for stationery we are using range based with multiplication. The page title, you can give the page title. User types I can create for all users or any specific corporate or retailer. I can use that option from here. So right now for timing I am allotting these products to all. If sort order, I want this to be placed at number 1, number 2, number 1 and number 2. Now the product I want is as active, so I'll just copy and scroll it down. Product type, browse design. Now here if you go down on the admin side, every detailed explanation has been given for each of the. If you scroll down and if you go onto the admin side and go onto the field of data, you will find all the detailed explanation of each of the field over here, right? So product type, let us go and search for the product type what we have to enter. So here it is product type. This product type is used for the action buttons that we have. For example, these are the action buttons that we are talking about: browse design, upload design, and all those. So here you can see B stands for browse design, C stands for custom design, and so on and so forth. So here you have to select the product type as B, browse design, custom design, and upload design. If you want to hire a designer, then H for hire a designer as well. Hire a designer, browse design, custom design, upload design, hire a designer. The same I want for here, and the same I want for here. Drawing margins, no, nothing, leave it blank, just copy and paste over here. CMYK, copy and paste over here. Visible, yes, just copy and paste. Month of the week, nothing needed. Number of pages, 2. One-sided, single-sided. This is double-sided, and this is one side, and this is also one side. So because these are envelope and letterhead, I would like to have it one side. So now all this detailed information has been filled up, and now you can save this file and go to the next sheet called product size. Now the business card, product title, this is product title, and you have to scroll it down from here. Transparent business card, just copy and paste for 4, because we are going to have 4 different products, so 4 things should be there. Product size title is 3.5 inch, so you can type the size title as 2 by 3.5. Now width is 3.5 and the height is 2. So same way you can copy this for this also. And for transparent executive letterhead and executive envelopes, so here 37. Orientation is not needed, just keep it as it is, and the default size, keep it now. Save it, and let us move on to the next option, next sheet for pricing. Now the pricing could depend upon the type of the additional options that you have. Suppose you have multiple additional options where you have different option price for different products, so you can choose that. Either you keep the base price 0 and just give additional option price, or you keep the base price fixed and add the additional option price in that fashion. So here what we have taken over here for these first 2 product, for the business cards, we have taken fixed quantity and price. So let us go and set the product price. Here you need to copy this again and just select that. The size title for you need to copy and select, and then you select. You can have multiple size as well. If you want to have multiple size, then insert a row, and then here you can add multiple size. Let me go and show you. Okay, you can insert a row, just copy and paste the same, and here you can have 2.5 or the large size, that means 4 inch and 2.5. so this also can be done. You can have, so here for multiple size you just insert the row, add, enter the same product title, and just go in there. So here you have multiple size for this product, and if you copy this, you can select the same, select the size from here, large size. Okay, so now here starting quantity, so you can start it from 100, and this also starts from 100. So here what I have done, I have entered different range for 100 to 250, 500 and 1000. So you need to enter the rows, copy the row, and same way you can copy the title or the size title and enter those details over here for different values of the quantity. Now quantity you charge same way you charge 700. Now here the velvet business card, same thing applies, 1000, 250, 500 and 1000. So I will copy this for here. Velvet business card is same, and the price for velvet business card I would like to have is little bit on the lower side. Now let us go with the executive bond where the price range is different. Okay, so here you have to start with 0 to 100. Now 101 to 250, 251 to 500 and 501 to 1000. Same way I can copy this for envelope also. Now here why we are doing this, because we have set the price details as range base with multiplication for these two products, right? So the pricing would be in a range base. Now this would be per piece. The price for this letterhead would be per piece. So let us go and set for this. It is 0 0.8, 0 0.7, 0 0.6 and 0 0.5. This is per piece. Same way I can keep the pricing for this as well. User type ID I would like to have it for all for timing. Now product image gallery you have to, okay, so let me copy these four. Let us go with the product image gallery. Here you have to type the name of the image file. So let us go in there and find the name of the image file that you are going to upload for this product. So here this, for example, this is the name for this business card, or this is the image which I'm going to upload for this business card. I'm just copy pasting the name of the image file. So here I have copied down the names of the image, rest of the things are there. Go to option price. Here what I have done, just type in the title of the options for business card, that means additional options, material type and turnaround time. Same way for velvet business card, material type and turnaround time. For the executive letterhead I have copied down the product over here one by one 3 times, because I am going to prepare 3 additional options for this product. So number 1 is paper type, color and turnaround time. Same I have done with the executive envelopes. Now the options that I have used here are drop downs. You can also select different option such as text box or round button, or all the different options related to the additional options that you are going to have for your product. So you can select the appropriate option for the appropriate additional option. Apply multiplication. If you are going to make the calculation for this option, you should have it this yes, or you keep it as no if you are not going to calculate the option attribute price for these additional options. Display price calculator. This is mandatory fields whether you would like to display this additional option on the price calculator. Status is yes. If you are opting this additional option for hire a designer, then you keep it as yes. Okay, here active, I'm keeping it everything active and it is done. Now let us move on to the product option attributes. Here what I have done is, as you have to have these additional option, different additional options, now you have to label them. The material type I have plastic business card and thick business card. For turnaround time I have 4 to 5 days, 3 days and next day. So these are the 3 attributes of this additional option: turnaround time for transparent business card. The same thing I have kept it for velvet business card. What I have done, I have typed twice because I will be having two attributes for these additional options. The default attribute that we would like to have it for this attribute is for this additional option is the option. This would be the selected option when the customer opens this product on the storefront. Same way for letterhead, executive letterhead, I have selected three options because I am having three different attributes for this paper type. Same way, color, full color or only header, whatever options that you need, you can type in here. Turnaround time, same way, and same additional options I have for this thing. You can keep it change. Now this is the Excel sheet we have completed the entering all the options with the additional options and attributes. Now the pricing of the additional option attributes will not be added over here. You have to add it that separately, and that we have created a video. You can create combine additional options or so. Let us now go and save this file you want, and I will be uploading this file on here. So let me upload this file. Now for uploading the Excel sheet, you have to go to products, go to import products, and then you can click the next. Normal, select the product type. If it is normal, you can select the normal, or you can select the predefined product if you are uploading the predefined product. Now upload the file from where you have file. Now click on next. Everything is there. Click on next, and 71 is correct and 71 is the, so let us click on import and click on OK, and the products are ready. If you go in here and search, let me go and search for the premium business card, those two products will be there over here. You can open this product directly, and the categories are also created as well as the options are also created. The pricing is also there. So here is the pricing for card. Now let us go and check for the another category called premium stationery. We have created these two products, executive letterhead and executive envelope. So I can open and check from here. Now here the range base we have selected, so 1 to 100 is 80 per 0.80. So if the customer is selecting 10, then the price would be 8. So this way you can create multiple products using the Excel sheet. Now you have to click close if you want to add these 4 products in your website, and if you don't want, then you can click on undo. So let us click on close, and it is done. If you go on to the front store now, refresh the page, go to product, you have premium stationery and premium business card. Premium stationery and business card, 4 products are available for you. Now here you can go and upload the images of the product. Click on here, upload the image from the image gallery. So image has been uploaded. So this way you can create multiple products, and all the other settings you can do it same as you were doing for the manual entry of the product.